Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome to the video. And in today's video, I'm going to be unboxing another Freddy Krueger glove replica. This one comes from Dark Dream Designs, who I found on Instagram. I purchased their Devil's Daughter, as it is known, which is basically a Freddy's Dead The Final Nightmare glove replica. Freddy's Dead, the 6th installment in the Elm Street franchise, which has probably the most humor than any of the other films in the franchise. I mean, it has Freddy using a very heavily modified version of the Nintendo Power Glove to help control the character Spencer. And Freddy definitely had a lot of one-liners.
Oh, screaming while the bus is in motion, and you're the soul too.
So that's what I have here today, is the replica of the Part 6 glove. Let's fucking check it out. I'm calling it Part 6, but it was actually known as Freddy's Dead The Final Nightmare, which was also the only film in the franchise that did not include the little girl's jumping rope to the Freddy nursery rhyme. Feast your eyes on the Devil's Daughter. Right. So here it is in all of its glory, with all its very messy solder marks. And very distinctive fingertips. I'll show you this up close here in a moment. The shape is very distinct and unique to that movie. This one's a fairly lightweight glove. It reminds me very much like the Part 1 glove that I have, which was also fairly lightweight. Gotta try this bad boy on. Fits like a glove. And like a proper Freddy glove should be made. This one has, you know, that finger dexterity, that movement of each finger individually. This glove has that, you know. Fuck yeah. The blades on it are not sharp. I didn't request to have the blades sharpened, and he didn't ask. So anyway, I just basically placed the order for the glove and had it entirely made the way that he makes them. So I'm assuming that this is the standard for all of his gloves. But yeah, I'm going to show you right now the fingertips here. As you can see, they are fairly wide here, with a open space. Very distinctive to the Freddy's Dead glove. Like, this is the proper look for that glove. This glove is an exact replica. Without a doubt. That finger movement. That's what it's all about right there, you know? Having the ability to just do that effortlessly. Fuck yeah, man. A quality glove. The glove that I am super fucking proud to now have in my collection. This is a pretty cool looking glove. Although Freddy's dead, I mean, it's not one of my favorite Freddy movie. It's not one of my favorite Elm Street movies, although I did rewatch it recently, and I do have a newfound appreciation for that movie. I mean, Robert Englund had a lot of screen time in that movie, you know, and they really put him in the light. They took him out of the dark. His makeup in that movie was a lot softer. You could tell, like, by the sixth film, Englund now Robert Englund is now calling some of the shots, you know, so he doesn't want to be sitting in the makeup chair for like 4 or 5 hours, you know. He wants to be in there a lot quicker. So the makeup in part 6 in Freddy's Dead is a lot softer. It looks more like Robert Englund under that makeup, you know. And the glove, I mean, part 6 is all about the glove. Like, you can visibly see the glove in that movie. You can also see Freddy's like dark collection of other assorted gloves in that movie, which I thought was pretty cool. I like that. All these different crude variations of the glove that he would have made prior to ever being prosecuted for murdering children. It was basically before he got caught. He must have been experimenting with different types of glove builds. So that's my new glove here in my Freddy Krueger glove collection. Another wonderful addition. I must say, this is a fucking piece of art, well made. Yeah, built by Dark Dream Designs. Look them up. Pretty sure. Yes, you can access him and find him on Instagram, but I'm pretty sure if you just Google Dark Dream Designs, you would find his web store and be able to order one of these as well. It also didn't take too long for him to build. I wasn't waiting anywhere as long as near as long as I was waiting for my Nightmare gloves. My glove from Nightmare gloves, I ordered a part 1 from him. Man, that took, like, I was waiting almost a year and a half for that guy. This glove I ordered I think October 29th, so you know, December, January, February, maybe about 4 months is all I had to wait for this glove. So yeah, that the owner over there at Dark Dream Designs, he's fairly quick with making these. You know, he can pound these out pretty quick. And yeah, when you're making quality gloves like this, and people know about it, you can be certain that there is a wait list. So yeah, he has a bit of a wait list if you're going to be placing an order for one of his gloves. So yeah, be expecting to wait, but not anywhere near as long of a wait as if you were to place an order with Nightmare gloves. So yeah, that's my video for today. I'm going to give you a couple of close-ups of the glove, and I'm going to place it upstairs with my other Elm Street collection, my other Freddy gloves. Give you a little shot of those as well. Thanks so much for watching. Like always, I hope that you're going to come back to join me for my next video, whatever that may be. But hell yeah, guys, until then, later.